moving electrons through a conductor. By convention, electric current flows in opposite direction to the movement of electrons. Electric circuit. Electric circuit is a continuous and closed path of electric current. Expression of electric current. Electric current is denoted by letter I. Electric current
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಅದು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
is equal to VIT or H equal to VIT, equation 4. We know according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. By substituting the value of V in equation 4, we get H equal to IR into IT or H equal to I square RT, equation 5. The equation 5 is known as Joule's law of heating, which states that heat produced in a resistor is directly proportional to the square of current given to the resistor, directly proportional to the resistance for a given current, and directly proportional to the time for which the current is flowing through the resistor. Example 1. If an electric heater consumes electricity at the rate of 500 watts and the potential difference between the two terminals of electric circuit is 250 electric appliances from high voltage if any. Electric fuse is made of metal or alloy of metals such as aluminium, copper, iron, lead, etc. In the case of flow of higher voltage than specified, fuse wire melts and protects the electric appliances. Fuse of 1 amps, 2 amps, 3 amps, 5 amps, 10 amps, etc. are used for domestic purpose. Suppose if an electric heater consumes 1000 watts at 220 volts, then electric current in circuit I equal to P by V, or I equal to 1000 watts divided by 220 volts, that is equal to 4.5 amps. Thus, in this case, a fuse of 5 amps should be used to protect the electric heater in the case of flow of higher voltage. Electric power. SI unit of electric power is watt. W. 1 watt equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere, that is equal to 1 volt into 1 amps. 1 kilowatt or 1 kW equal to 1000 watts. Consumption of electricity, electric energy, is generally measured in kilowatt. Unit of electric energy is kilowatt per hour. 1 kilowatt per hour equal to 1000 watt into 1 hour, that is equal to 1000 watts into 3600 seconds. Or 1 kilowatt per hour equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 watt second, that is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joules. Example 1. If the potential difference is 220 volts and the power of bulb is 110 watts, what is the electric current flowing in the circuit? Solution. Given potential difference V equal to 220 volts, power of bulb P equal to 110 watts. Electric current I to be found out. We know that P equal to VI, or 110 watts equal to 220 volts into I, or I equal to 110 watts divided by 220 volts equal to 0.5 amps. Example 2. If the power of an electric heater is 1000 watts and electricity of 240 volts is flowing through it, find the electric current in the electric heater. Solution. Given power P equal to 1000 watts, potential difference V equal to 240 volts, electric current I to be found out. We know that P equal to VI, or 1000 watt equal to 240 volts into I, or I equal to 1000 watts divided by 240 volts is equal to 4.16 amps. Example 3. What is the electric current through an electric geyser of 500 watts? If the potential difference across the electric circuit is 250 volts. Solution. Given P equal to 500 watts, V equal to 250 volts, therefore electric current I to be found out. We know that P equal to VI, or 500 watts equal to 250 volts into I, or I equal to 500 watts divided by 250 volts equal to 2 amps. Example 4. If the electric current is